I'm doing well tonight with my disaster recovery tasks. I did a video again. It went to 18 minutes and it logged out. I did my photo. I did my aid memoir, but stupidly, I got into transition, and I did an in transition video. I was going well. I was flying. I was absolutely flying. It came out. It was a beautiful video. It was really great. I did everything I wanted to do, and I came up with a in transition extension, a page that I haven't thought about, an index page for Taskit, which I hadn't thought about until now. So I was really flying and really buzzing. So I've got to do aid memoir for Photo Booth. Photo Booth is playing up. I'm gonna have to use camera for me training, so that when I go on, I can't risk it going. I'm gonna have to use camera. Right, aid memoir quickly. Right, go to Finder in Apple. Bottom left icon, two faces, white and blue face. Brings up a dialogue. Click on applications, go to Photo Booth, click on Photo Booth. Photo Booth fires up. Right, on the left hand side of the Photo Booth, you see three icons. The right hand side of the icon is for video. Click on that, then click the red button in the middle, start, and you're recording. Right, when you're recording, stop your recording. Then you go through the process of doing. You watch it on the taskbar at the bottom, recording. When it's static, when you can see it's done, right click it and go to upload. Right, go to upload and upload it onto your desktop. Easiest way, bang it onto your desktop so you can see it pop up. Right, once it's popped up, create a folder on your desktop called podcasts. Then in podcast, create the various folders that you want. I've got now Train It. I've got Al's something or other. Al's Rants or whatever that is. I'll do Al's Rants. If I haven't got one already, I'll do a rant. Let me clear what I called it. Al's Amble. So I'll have to do Al's Amble. I'll have to do Al's Rants. So that's an aid memoir that I need to go in transition. Put that in transition. It's just a note. Al's Rants. I've done that in a Genesis document on my desktop. It now needs to go into in transition, which is basically a big piece of paper with all your thoughts on it in full colours. Right, that's in transition. Right, fire up YouTube. Oh, sorry, move from your desktop into Train It. Fire up YouTube. Click on your icon on the right hand side, which is like a little camera with a plus on, to do an upload. Then do an upload from, and it'll come up with your with your path of where you've done it. It's a bit clever that way. It tells you where you've done it. I don't know how it does that, but then click up to it and upload. You'll see it start uploading. It'll give you the name of the file. Highlight the name of the file. Right click it and copy it. Then click next. Click for kids. Click next. Click next. Click for public. Click next. Click next, and let it run. Whilst it's running, go to your proto page where you're going to do it. Mine's Withington Golf Club. Go to your frame set. Go to Al's Amble, or in my case, this one, it's going to be Aid Memoir. Go to Aid Memoir. Add a bookmark, click your bookmarks, clear your bookmarks out, paste your YouTube video name, and then name it. I'll name it. I'll name this one Photo Booth. Right. Come out of it. Go on it. Click it, and you see it's still uploading. So you have to wait then. So that's done. I'm stopping now. 5 minutes, 26 seconds. I've done that as quickly as possible to see if this will save. I'm really flying now. I'm really buzzing. I'm really alert. It's my time of night, and I should be doing serious stuff now. I should be doing me planet and me forecasting and me stuff for Richard. Right. I should be working on Forest 404 now, and the quiz. I should be working on the quiz now, and foundation consulting, and designing spreadsheets and designing databases. That's what I should be doing now. But I'm not going to do it. I'll be doing that in November. I'm having time off. I'm going to stop now. Let Richard catch up. I'm too far ahead of him. Richard needs to do JSON to TDD, JSON to the document Excel to JSON, then JSON to SQL Server. I've got to task Richard to do that, but I don't want to task him while he's doing Forest 404 overloading. He doesn't respond to it anyway. I'll give him. You can look at all the stuff I do for Richard at bramit.wordpress.com, and you can see all the communications and have a look at Zeus. It's dead interesting. Right.